Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a full, detailed review of the 2026 Honda Acty Kei Truck, a modern interpretation of one of Japan's most iconic mini trucks. The Acty has been beloved for decades for its unmatched utility, compact dimensions, low running costs, and go-anywhere versatility. For 2026, Honda has refreshed the Acty with updated design, improved comfort, enhanced technology, and modern performance, while staying true to the Kei Truck principles that make it so practical and fun. In this review, we'll explore every aspect of this diminutive but capable vehicle: exterior styling, interior features, performance and driving dynamics, technology and safety, pricing, and even a few suggestions to make it even better. Let's jump right in, right away. The 2026 Honda Acty Kei Truck grabs your attention with its compact but purposeful design. The front fascia is welcoming and practical, featuring a simple yet functional grille flanked by modern LED headlights that give the Acty a friendly yet determined look. The headlights are designed for excellent nighttime visibility with a clean light pattern, making early morning farm runs or late night deliveries safer. The bumper is compact and robust, built to withstand daily use without unnecessary flair. Honda has refined the panel gaps and overall fit and finish compared to earlier models, giving the Acty a more polished appearance without losing its rugged charm. From the side, the Acty remains unmistakably a Kei truck, short, tall, and boxy in all the right ways. Its compact footprint makes it incredibly maneuverable in tight urban streets, narrow alleys, and crowded farmyards where larger trucks can't venture. The wheels sit at the far corners of the body, maximizing cargo bed length while keeping the wheelbase short for tight turning radii. The tires are small but rugged, providing surprising traction on unpaved roads, gravel, dirt, or snowy surfaces. The sliding rear windows improve visibility and airflow, while the robust side mirrors are positioned to minimize blind spots, critical for a vehicle that's designed to be both practical and efficient for everyday use. Turning to the rear, the cargo bed is the true heart of the Acty Kei Truck's utility. The tailgate drops easily and can support a surprising amount of weight for its size. The bed itself is flat and wide for a Kei truck, with tie-down points and a bed liner that resists scratches, dents, and wear from heavy loads. The Acty's compact cargo area may not compare to full-size pickups in sheer volume, but its clever use of space, low load height, and flatbed surface make it incredibly usable for transporting goods, tools, luggage, camping gear, plants, appliances, or construction materials. Whether you're a farmer, tradesperson, city dweller, or weekend adventurer, the practicality here is hard to beat. Step inside the 2026 Honda Acty and you realize just how well Honda has optimized this small space for comfort and functionality. The cabin is surprisingly airy thanks to the tall roofline and upright windshield, giving excellent outward visibility in every direction. The seats are simple but supportive, covered in durable fabric that handles everyday use without showing wear quickly. In higher trims or upgraded models, you'll find additional features like adjustable headrest, seat heaters, and contrast stitching that add a hint of refinement while still keeping the Acty's utilitarian roots intact. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with essential controls placed logically within easy reach of the driver. A small but responsive touchscreen infotainment display sits centered on the dash, handling media, Bluetooth connectivity, and vehicle information. While the Acty keeps the interface simple, no frills, no confusing menus, it still supports modern conveniences like smartphone integration, hands-free calling, and real-time vehicle stats. Physical knobs for volume, temperature, and fan speed remain easy to use, especially when your focus should be on driving rather than scrolling through menus behind the wheel. The digital instrument cluster displays clear information on speed, fuel level, gear position, and other essentials. The steering wheel is compact and easy to grip, with integrated buttons for audio controls, voice commands, and cruise functions. The overall layout prioritizes ease of use and safety, which is exactly what you want in a vehicle designed for work and daily errands. Rear seating in the Acty varies depending on configuration. Some models feature a small rear bench for occasional passengers, while others prioritize cargo space with foldable seats. Even when used for passengers, the rear seating is surprisingly comfortable for a Kei truck, with enough legroom for adults on short journeys and generous headroom thanks to the boxy design. Q folders, seat back pockets, and additional small storage bins keep personal items organized and accessible. Now let's talk performance and driving dynamics. Where the 2026 Honda Acty lives up to its reputation as a nimble, easy-to-drive mini truck, Powered by a compact yet efficient engine tailored to Kei regulations, the Acty delivers smooth, linear power in urban environments, backroads, and light off-road conditions. While the engine's displacement might seem modest compared to larger vehicles, the Acty's lightweight design and efficient powertrain make daily driving effortless. Acceleration feels confident enough for city traffic, and the drivetrain delivers reliable responsiveness when merging or climbing gentle slopes. Fuel economy is one of the Acty's standout features. Its efficient engine, lightweight construction, and optimized driveline make it extremely economical for everyday use, whether you're commuting, hauling cargo, or navigating backroads. Most drivers will find that fuel stops are infrequent and running costs are extremely low, which is one of the reasons Kei trucks remain so popular in markets like Japan and beyond. The suspension is tuned to balance comfort and load carrying capability. On paved roads, the ride feels composed and smooth for a small truck, absorbing minor bumps and imperfections without transmitting harshness into the cabin. When carrying loads in the bed, the suspension remains stable and predictable, minimizing squat and maintaining control. Steering is light but communicative, making tight parking maneuvers and everyday navigation feel effortless. If you choose a four-wheel drive variant, traction and stability improve even further on slippery or uneven surfaces, a real plus for rural or off-grid use. Safety and driver assistance technology in the 2026 Honda Acty Kei Truck are surprisingly comprehensive for a vehicle in this class. Standard features typically include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control, all designed to enhance everyday driving confidence. Some trims also offer a 360-degree camera system that greatly improves visibility in tight parking spots or when maneuvering in busy urban environments. Infotainment and connectivity technology are thoughtfully integrated. The central touchscreen supports navigation with real-time guidance, Bluetooth audio streaming, phone mirroring, and vehicle diagnostics. A premium sound system is available in higher trims, delivering clear audio for music, podcasts, or navigation prompts. Voice control functionality adds convenience by letting you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road while making adjustments to settings. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Honda Acty Kei Truck sits in an extremely attractive segment. Base models offer essential utility, efficient performance, and good safety equipment at a price that represents strong value. Mid-range trims add creature comforts like heated seats, upgraded infotainment, and convenience features. Higher trims bring premium touches such as enhanced upholstery, advanced safety technology, all-wheel drive, and additional driving aids. Across all trims, the Acty delivers a compelling balance of capability, comfort, and everyday usability at a price point that's hard to beat. If there are suggestions for improvement, a few stand out. First, offering expanded interior customization options, like color themes, contrasting trim accents, and ambient lighting would let buyers personalize their Acty to reflect individual taste. Second, an optional adaptive suspension system could enhance ride quality further for mixed-use driving, especially for owners who frequently travel on rough roads with heavy loads. Third, expanding driver assist. Personalization, like adjustable lane assist sensitivity and customizable alert levels, could help drivers tailor the safety systems to their preferred driving style, even with those suggestions. The 2026 Honda Acty Kei Truck remains a standout in its class. It blends utility, efficiency, ease of use, and smart technology in a way that few vehicles can match. Whether you're a tradesperson needing a reliable daily work truck, a city driver seeking an economical and practical vehicle, or an adventurer looking for a compact utility companion, the Acty delivers a compelling package that's hard to overlook. Thanks for watching this full detailed review of the 2026 Honda Acty Kei Truck. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more reviews of innovative vehicles, practical automotive solutions, and smart daily drivers, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay inspired.